Hello students, once again welcome to English Literature Classroom. Today my topic is Shakespeare's The Merchant of Venice. Today I am going to teach Act 2, Scene 5. The scene takes place in Venice before Shylock's house. The two characters entering the scene are Shylock and Lancelot. Shylock is a Jewish moneylender and Lancelot is a servant in Bassanio's house. Previously, he was servant in Shylock's house. He was not satisfied with Shylock. Therefore, he left the job of Shylock and now employed in Bassanio's house. Shylock is telling Lancelot, okay, well, thou shalt see, thy eyes shall be the judge. The difference of old Shylock and Bassanio. What, Jessica? Thou shalt not gormandize, as thou hast done with me. What, Jessica? And sleep and snore, and rend apparel out. Why, Jessica? I say. Now, Shylock is telling Lancelot that he would be able to easily judge the difference between Shylock and Bassanio. Next, Shylock is calling his daughter Jessica. He's shouting and calling her. Okay, next, Shylock is telling Lancelot what are the things he would not be able to do in Bassanio's house. Lancelot would not be able to gormandize. Gormandize means overeat. And he would not be able to sleep and snore and rend apparel out. Rend apparel means to tear clothes, okay, in Bassanio's house. So what are the things Lancelot used to do in Shylock's house? He used to gormandize, he used to sleep and snore, and he used to rend apparel out, okay, and all these things he will not be able to do in Bassanio's house. This is told by Shylock, okay, to Lancelot. Now even Lancelot is calling Jessica. Shylock's become angry and Shylock is telling Lancelot, who has asked you to call her? I do not tell you to shout her name. At this point, Lancelot is telling, your worship was owned to tell me I could do nothing without bidding. Lancelot is telling, you sir, were accustomed to say that I could do nothing without being told to do it. Enter Jessica. At that point of the time, Jessica is entering. Now, who is Jessica? Jessica is Shylock's daughter. Jessica is telling, call you? What's the will? Jessica is telling her father, have you called me? What is the will? Shylock is telling, I am bid forth to supper. What is Shylock is telling? I am invited to dinner. Jessica, okay, there are my keys. Next, Shylock is giving the keys to Jessica. But wherefore should I go? Next, Shylock is telling that, why should I go? I have not been invited for love's sake. They wish to flatter me. They means Antonio and Bassanio. But yet I will go because of my hatred for the Christians. Okay, now Shylock still wants to go to Christian's house. Okay, just because of hatred for the Christian. I shall go to eat food at the cost of wasteful Christians. Okay, what is Shylock telling? He is telling that he would go to eat food at the cost of the wasteful Christians. Next, he is telling Jessica, my daughter, look to the safety of my house. Okay, he is telling his daughter to look at the safety of his house. I am most unwilling to go. Look what he is telling. He is telling that he is not at all interested to go, loath to go. Okay, loath means not interested, unwilling to go. There is something troublesome, okay, taking shape that will disturb my rest, because he dreamt of Moneybag that night. Okay, that night Shylock dreamt of Moneybag, and therefore he is not interested to go in Bassanio's house. Lancelot is telling now, okay, I request you, sir, please go. Okay, Lancelot is telling Shylock that please go. Okay, my young master, that is Bassanio, is waiting for you. Shylock is telling that I am also waiting for Bassanio. Next, Lancelot is telling that they have conspired. Okay, they means the Christian. They have conspired. That there will be mask. Mask means a religious procession. Okay, there will be mask, and Jessica should look at that mask. Until this much. Okay, up to this much. In my next video, I will continue with Act 2, Scene 5. Until then, goodbye.